What's going down, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Camping with Coleman. It's your boy Josh, aka Coleman. We're chilling in the studio, hanging out. Finally got it freshly lit, man. I got some new bulbs in here, so I'm excited. And I actually got a new product, man. I got something to unbox. I had a company reach out to me recently and asked me if I was interested in reviewing a product for them. Normally, I'm like real hesitant about that, but this company is really cool, and there's somebody that I kind of have already gotten products from anyway, so in a roundabout way. So I was like, you know what? Yeah, let's do something. Let's see what we can make happen. So that being said, I got a box in the mail the other day, and I was kind of hesitant for a couple days to get into this. I wanted to think about it, and then I decided to heck with it. We're just going to do what we always do. It's ESP, man. So we're going to do an unboxing, then we're going to go ahead and take a good look at this product, and we're going to jump in the comments, have a little discussion about it, all right? And I'm going to jump in the comments with you on this one, you guys. I really want some feedback. I want to know what you guys think, and if you think I should get involved with this company or not. So that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at this box, man. Alright, here it is, man. Shapeways. Shapeways sent me a box. Now, for those of you that are familiar with Shapeways, you're gonna know that really is kind of a vague thing, man. There's a lot of other companies that have products through Shapeways. So, for those of you that don't know what Shapeways is, they are essentially a big 3D printing company, like a manufacturing company. So, if you have an awesome idea and you wanna produce something and produce a product, but you don't have the tooling to do so, you don't have a CNC machine, or you don't have, you know, a 3D printer or whatever it may be, these guys kind of make it easy. They kind of take that job out of the scenario for you. They handle the production side of it, and even the shipping, I guess. So what you guys can do if you want is you can design your own products, go to Shapeways and have them 3D print those products and host your own store on their website, which is really cool. Now, I'm not familiar with all the intricate details of it, so if you guys want to learn more, you're gonna have to go to shapeways.com and basically just check them out, see what they've got to say. And for today, though, we're gonna go ahead and crack this box open and take a look at the product that they sent me. Now, I'm excited because the product in this box comes from a company on Shapeways that I have dealt with in the past. I actually am friends with the owner, and yeah, they're great people and they make great products. So this is kind of a win-win for me. Not only is it from a friend of mine and his company, you know, not only am I supporting them, but I'm also supporting Shapeways, which supports them. So pretty cool stuff. That being said, you guys know what the deal is. Let's find this blade and let's go ahead and get this started, man. I want to crack this thing open. There we go. All right, so let's see what we got here. I'm actually really excited about this, man. I've always wanted one of these, and this is the first chance I've had to get one. So pretty excited. Oh, look at that. I got thank you in a bunch of different languages right here. That's cool. I like that. It says share it. Show us your 3D print in the wild on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, or Tumblr. Questions. Awesome. Cool box. I like the effort. Packaging effort is on point. Now, open that out. Get your standard stuff in there. Set this aside. You guys don't need to see that. And here is the product. We've only got one thing in here. Yep, that's right. We've only got one thing in here, and this is it. I'm really excited about this. We have a bumper. This is a front bumper, and this is for, well, an Axial SCX10, and it can be used for a multitude of different applications, but I think I'm going to wind up using it on a Jeep, probably a JK, and I believe that's what it's designed for. Comes in a bag, has their blue star logo thing on the back here, which is pretty cool. All their products, I've noticed, come in these bags. I have a handful of them over there on the wall. Whoop. Not sure if you can see those, but got a handful of them up there. So this seems to be what everything comes in, is these bags. Now, what's special about this bumper is it's metal. Now, when I think 3D printed, I don't usually think metal, I think plastic. And once I found out that they were making metal 3D printed RC bumpers for our scale trucks, I kind of went bananas. So let's go ahead and get this out of here. Set that aside, and right off the bat, my first impression is it feels heavy. Something about this reminds me of an old fireplace, like a wood burning stove. I don't know if it's the feel of it, the texture, I'm not sure what it is, but it's heavy, you know, it feels like an old like iron stove poker or something. Just so, needless to say, it does not feel cheap or, you know, flimsy by any means. It feels actually really heavy, really durable. I'm really liking this, all this what do they call it, the gussets going on here. I like this. I like all the holes in the bottom. This is cool. Now, the one thing that's standing out to me, there you can hear it. Definitely metal. The one thing that's standing out to me is that it's really, really actually fine. Like, you know, most 3D printed products, like here, most 3D printed products that I've encountered, such as this dashboard right here, have a grain to them, like a really solid grain. So you can see it there in the dash. See that? And that's like almost all 3D printed products I've gotten have some form of that going on, that grain-like appearance. And so even in the details, I mean, you get cool details out of it, but there's still that grain there. And that's something I've seen in a lot of 3D printed products. In this, I'm not seeing it. I mean, you can see here, let me get close on this. Huge, huge difference. I mean, the refinement on this metal is insane. You can see some lines, some grooves up there on the top of the bumper. I can see those, but they are so fine. I mean, there, you can put my thumbnail next to it. It's such a fine, fine, fine resolution that you don't see it. Like, the normal eye just doesn't really pick it up that much. The top plate right here, you can't even see any lines really. You can see the mounts here are for SCX-10 front bumper style. They just replaced that front bumper and cross member, and so I'm really excited to test this out. This is kind of a big deal for me for a couple of reasons. One, because well, you know, I've always wanted 3D printed parts in metal, which is really cool. Oh, nice, it even has tabs here for your D-rings. That's really cool. Now, for those of you that are wondering who this came from, this is from Knight's Customs, and sorry I didn't mention that earlier. This is from Knight Customs, and if you're not familiar with Knight Customs has been a huge supporter of extreme scale performance. Knight Customs is really probably my favorite shop on Shapeways currently. I mean, they have the biggest variety of products for axial SCX-10s, and they're constantly making innovative stuff. They have products, well, here, let me show you a couple. Here we have some other products from Shapeways, and these are all from Knight Customs as well, and I'm really excited about these. I did an unboxing already where I kind of went over these and showed everyone what I had gotten. I mean, look at this. RIP intercoolers, roto packs that are expandable, all kinds of cool containers. If you're into overlanding, there's awesome containers. Look at this inner fender set. You want to see what those look like? Actually, I have some right here. I mean, look at this. Look at that. That is amazing. That is, you know, it's hard to describe the fit and finish and how clean it is. I mean, it is phenomenal fit and finish. Truly amazing detail. So you guys, if you're really into getting some cool scale 3D printed stuff, I'm highly recommending Shapeways. I'm also highly recommending Knight Customs. They've been huge supporters. I know I said that already, but I can't stress enough. Like, James hit me up, and you know, he pretty much said if I need anything, just to let him know. And I haven't really taken too much advantage of that yet. I did get some stuff off him, but he's like, the guy is amazing, and the amount of products he offers is phenomenal. The Pro Line bodies, like the Toyota, he has all kinds of stuff available for that. The Jeep bodies from Axial, just tons of stuff available. So I mean, there's really there's something on there for everybody. So that being said, you guys, I'm not gonna drag this out. I just wanted to go ahead and show you what I got from them, make a recommendation. Definitely check out their website. I'll put the link in the description, and hopefully you guys will find something you enjoy. Let them know that your boy Coleman sent you. That being said, y'all know what's good, man. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna go beat on this bumper a little bit. Yeah.